You won't feel awful if you make this falafel burger. What if I told you you could eat a burger that doesn't destroy your soul, or your stomach, or your grocery budget? Welcome to Cheap, Delicious, and Vegan. Today we're making a burger so good, it will change your life. Falafel burgers are elite tier. Crispy on the outside, moist, herby, savory on the inside. It's like if a burger and a Mediterranean street cart had a beautiful, affordable child. We're starting with dry chickpeas, not canned. Dry chickpeas are the optimum for falafel burgers. And actually, they're the optimum for falafels as well. I know there's a lot of effort in hydrating chickpeas, but this is a Middle Eastern dish. There has to be some suffering. Trust me, I'm Armenian. Rinse them, soak them overnight in the fridge. Now let's toss them in the food processor. They're gonna turn into what looks like hummus. Trust the process. Now let's load in the flavor, adding onions, parsley, cilantro, smoked paprika, cumin, salt. Mix it all together and add a little baking soda and a teaspoon of chickpea flour to hold it all together. Chill the mixture for an hour. Now shape them into burgers. I got these fancy ring things for this occasion, but they don't have to be perfect. Just say they're rustic. That's a good excuse for them being sloppy. Throw them into the freezer for about 15 minutes to set. And now it's frying time. Fry till they're golden brown, crispy edges, and bright green on the inside. If it doesn't look like a slow motion food commercial, keep going. I think it looks amazing. Now let's build with a toasted bun, garlic aioli, and then whatever you want. Lettuce, tomato, pickles, sauce. Go crazy. You've earned this. And look at that. Crispy, hearty, flavor-packed. This isn't just a vegan burger. It's a life-changing experience. Follow for more ways to turn humble ingredients into absolute monsters. Thanks for watching.